Hello and welcome back everyone to my channel. Today's video is not the usual one where I'm talking about content creation and social media and all that stuff. Today's video is slightly different and special because as you all know that we have recently traveled from Delhi to our hometown, and I thought that I should share the experience of this journey with you all. Considering this pandemic situation, this COVID situation, there are so many new things that you have to take care while traveling. There are so many new procedures that you have to do before or during the air travel. So I thought that this vlog might help you out if you are planning to travel in this situation. So let's begin with it.
So when you enter at the airport, first of all your bags get sanitized. After that you have to show your Arogya Setu status. So you must have the Arogya Setu app in which you must have the green zone, because otherwise if you're traveling from other zones you're not allowed to travel. Other than that, you should have the printouts of your e-tickets and boarding pass along with your photo IDs. Make sure you have it.
So yes, this is a special kind of video because we are not just normally traveling, but we are traveling in this COVID situation, which is a scary thing. So come with us and see our journey, that what we have to do, how we have to do, what we are doing, how we are doing.
After entering at the airport, our process was hassle-free and we came here to sit back and relax.
So yeah, welcome back guys. We are at cafeteria right now of Delhi airport, and everybody is taking care of everything. Everybody is maintaining social distancing and everybody is taking care of all the precautions. We have to have this mask, we have to have these gloves, and yes, so it's quite an experience. We are a bit scared, but yes, it seems to be normal now. It's a new normal, as they say.
So as you can see here, there are not too many people and there is a huge space, so everything was quite okay and relaxing.
So right now we are waiting at this waiting area and we'll go in some time to our flight gate. And as you can see, people are sitting here and everybody is maintaining social distancing, and I'll show you in some time that how the sitting arrangement is here so that people will be able to follow this social distancing.
You can see the single chairs are there and there are not too many people near or around you, so you can easily maintain the social distancing, and it was quite easy and quite relaxing to see that kind of sitting arrangement where you don't need to worry too much about the crowd and the people around you.
So yes, many of you must be thinking that what are the procedures that we have to follow when it comes to air travel. So all you have to do is, when you book your ticket, do make sure that you web check in at least before 48 hours. And while you're doing the web check-in, you'll get one health declaration form which is mandatory, and in that you have to fill up all the answers that if you have symptoms of COVID or not, if you were a COVID patient or not, or if you were staying with a COVID patient or not, or something like that. So there were so many questions that you have to fill up answers, and yeah, then after that your airlines will send you an email regarding that health declaration form, and when you will proceed for your check-in baggage, at that time they'll check it. So make sure that you do all these procedures of health declaration form and web check-in well in advance. Do it from home at least 48 hours or 24 hours before. It will save you a good 1 or 2 hours, I swear. And if you have your web check-in and health declaration form in place, then You need not to worry about any procedures here in the airport. All you have to do is do your regular procedures, do your do your check-in baggage and the security check, and you're free to go anywhere. Then you're free to do anything that you want to do. So yes, all you have to do is web check-in and health declaration form. I know it can get scary if you're traveling in this COVID situation, but trust me, if you are taking all the precautions and you are taking care of everything, then you don't need to be scared.
Here we were heading towards our boarding gate, and at the boarding gate they gave us one more health declaration form where we have to put up all the details related to our health and related to our residence and phone number, etc. That is also important, so keep that in mind as well.
So as you can see, ninjas are ready to fly, and we have to do all these things as you must have known. So yes, we are ready. Let's see now.
Here I was saying that it was really difficult to wear that mask and shield and sit in that aircraft which was really small and there was not much ventilation, but we landed safely and our journey was fine.
So I hope that this video was helpful for you all, and it might help you if you are traveling during this COVID situation. So if you like this video, do let me know in the comment section below. If you know some other procedures that you have to do before or during the air travel or train travel, do let us know in the comment section below. And I come up with new video on every Saturday, so don't forget to press that bell icon and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.